What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a super exciting video. I have a gift from Tommy Hilfiger in this box. A gift. Something that was sent from me from Tommy Hilfiger's team.
You've got mail.
I'm super excited, extremely grateful, and shook. I'm still trying to take it in right now that this is actually here in my presence. What? This is insane. It feels surreal right now, and I'm just taking the moment in, and I figured I need to share this experience with you guys because for over 3 years now, I've been creating dedicated content for Tommy Hilfiger. Not sponsored, not an ambassador, not partnered, not paid, nothing. This is just solely my personal collection, stuff that I pay for out of pocket, whether it's brand new pieces, thrifted pieces, vintage pieces, stuff that I bid for in auctions. This is all stuff that I've been sharing for years now. And finally, somebody from Tommy Hilfiger's social media team, Hugh, thank you so much. He acknowledged my Instagram page, 𝗕𝗏_Hilfiger, which is my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger appreciation page where I post tons of Tommy Hilfiger content. I also have a series on there, which is me unboxing certain things as well. So check that out. Link everything down below. But this kind person from Tommy Hilfiger's social media team reached out to me and expressed their admiration for my dedication to the brand. So for today's video, we're just gonna chill. I'm going to unbox this and we're gonna have a Tommy Hilfiger experience together. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a monster, and keep on watching. Earth to George, somebody pinch me right now. I'm awake, I'm up. I'm about to open up a gift from Tommy Hilfiger. A gift. The patience I have is absolutely not normal because I received these yesterday and I was in no mood to post a video or film or get behind a camera. I've actually taken the past 2 weeks off from filming because I've been dealing with some stuff, and also I had laryngitis, which is why I probably sound a little crazy right now. But yeah, I received this yesterday and I need to get in front of the camera and make sure I share this experience with you guys and not just me, being selfish opening this, because without you guys following my Tommy Hilfiger content, stuff like this probably would not even happen, because let's face it, that's one of my issues: numbers and social media. A lot of big brands do not acknowledge, respect, pay attention, even know names of small content creators. So the fact that this was sent my way with having the amount of followers I have, I feel extremely blessed, grateful, and of course I want to make sure I acknowledge you guys as well, because although my audience is small, I appreciate each and every one of you, and clearly without having an audience, I probably wouldn't even be acknowledged by Tommy Hilfiger, because social media is so toxic. I'm gonna have a whole video dedicated on that because it's been taking a toll on me. Yeah. Enough of that though. Let's get this box open, you guys. We're taking long enough here. So I have my custom George Schirra, if you can see that right there. My name is Schirra. Army knife. Is this an army knife? Well, I don't know what that kind of knife you call these, but hey, it's a knife with my name on it, so don't with me, okay? I'm kidding. So I'm opening this up right now. This has weight to it, by the way. This box doesn't feel flimsy. It doesn't feel like there's just a shirt in here. I have no idea what's in here. They just said they're gonna send a gift my way as a token of appreciation. Hugh, thank you so freaking much. And yeah, so this is gonna be a surprise for both of us. I have no expectations whatsoever, but holy crap, is this taped up? Give me 1 sec. We are open. All right, so first thing I see is, oh my gosh, a note from the brand, you guys. This is so crazy right now. I want to make sure I take everything apart as fragile as possible, because I'm going to save onto every single piece, obvi. But we have a note here on a card. It says, George, thanks for your support. Hope you enjoy these Tommy jeans pieces. Tommy team. Love that. Thank you so much, Tommy team, especially Hugh again. Oh my gosh. This is going to be on display. Are you kidding me? I need a frame for that, and also a frame for Tommy Hilfiger, the Thomas Hilfiger. Follow me on Instagram. I need to put that in a frame as well. I'm gonna get to that eventually. But okay, so the box is right here, and we have some tissues. Oh my god, we have Tommy Hilfiger tissue paper, the TH. Are you kidding? There's, oh, you can't see it, but there's THs all over it on this end. How beautiful is that? Oh my god. I'm already quaking over tissue paper, you guys. This is not okay. We had bags. Okay, so there's some bags in the box. Not so sustainable, but okay, Tommy. Oh my god. These are not American bags. Like, these bags are not from the US. Like, I've shopped many Tommy Hilfigers within the United States, and we don't have bags like this over here. So, oh my gosh. There's something pastel in here. I'm quaking. You guys, I may have my first panic attack on film for this video. So we have one bag right here and another bag right here. Box is empty, just to show you. We're gonna start with this bag right here, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Alrighty, so first things first. Shut up. Oh my god. This is a Love the World sweatshirt. I wanted this so freaking bad, but it was definitely expensive. And this is beautiful. Oh my god. There are so many capsules, and I want to buy each and every single one of them, but you know, they're a little pricey. So this is something that I'm super excited to be adding to my wardrobe. Holy crap, you guys. And this is heavy. This is a great piece for any time. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so we have one piece down. Gorgeous. Oh my freaking god, you guys. We have another one in here as well. And it's a t-shirt. I actually have this shirt, but it's white, so you never could have too many of white shirts, because you know what? I'm not good with white. So here is another Love the World piece. This is gorgeous. They got the size right as well. They asked for my size, and I said large, because I like things to be a little bit, you know, flowy. You know how that is if you have the curves, but we love this. Nothing's on the back. This is a sustainable piece from the sustainable line. Last time I checked, I did see a few of these were still available on Tommy.com. So if you want to add a limited edition piece to your collection, get to it quick, because this is a beautiful piece. Nothing on the back, but the front Tommy logo with the earth and a heart-eyed emoji. I freaking love this, you guys. This is beautiful. Insane. And I just love adding stuff that's limited edition to my collection, because it's such a cool feeling knowing you have something that there's a small quantity of. And that's why I really appreciate vintage pieces, because not many people have them, of course. I mean, over time, people get rid of stuff like that. So I don't. And we have one more bag. One more bag right here. And you guys, I see some pastel stuff, and I'm shook, because Tommy Hilfiger, when the pastel capsule was launched, I lost my I literally was like, this is everything. I love pastels, and this is iconic. Okay, let's open this up, you guys. First and foremost, like, that's what it looks like. That's what I'm seeing right now. Well, I don't really see anything yet, but I see now. Okay, so we have the sweatshirt. Are you kidding me? I have no words. I've wanted this so bad, but it was so expensive. Tommy, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. This has the Tommy Hilfiger logos all over it in pastel. Oh my god. Do you see that? Are you seeing this right now? Like, look at that. Oh my, and this blue, this powder blue, is my favorite color ever. Oh my god, this is insane. See, it says right there, limited edition, and you also have the Tommy Hilfiger tag even in pastel. That is beautiful. This is an iconic moment. I'm obsessed. I can't believe this. This is also a large as well. This is, oh my gosh. You guys, I am in love. I love too how on these pieces, it does say on the bottom, like right there, limited edition. Did I just stutter? I just stuttered a little bit. Tommy's got me stuttering. Limited edition. Very cool, very sick. I love this. I'm obsessed. This is my favorite so far. Absolutely love it. And we also have one more piece in here, guys. A t-shirt. I love this t-shirt too. Shut I probably sound so crazy right now, but I don't care. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. This has all the pastel colors on here except for the yellow, but that's okay. I love this. This is beautiful, and I wanted this as well very, very bad, but this was a little expensive. Super, super beautiful. Like, the quality in this is insane. Very, very, it feels like an expensive piece. It is an expensive piece, and these are luxury Tommy Hilfiger pieces, Tommy Jeans pieces that I'm super proud to be adding to my collection. I'm shook, guys. That's it for what was in my gift. I even want to put the bag on display. Like, you don't see Tommy Hilfiger bags like this here in the US. So this is, like, we need to take a look at this really quick. Look at right there. There's the Tommy logo, and it's like twine for the strings. Like, this is very boutique style. It's not just a outlet or, you know, the vibe that we have here in the States. It feels more luxury, I have to say. So thank you so much, Q, for recognizing my appreciation and admiration for the brand Tommy Hilfiger. It's been a journey for me. I started off with a very small collection over the years, and it's built up to this. I have an entire closet here, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. So I'm gonna have to get another closet. But out of all seriousness, the brand Tommy Hilfiger just means so much to me. American fashion is highly underrated, and just to see such a accomplished and determined and extremely professional entrepreneur from the beginning of his business all the way until now, Tommy Hilfiger has just been a role model to me. I have a small business where I make crystal bracelets, handcrafted bracelets on Etsy. It's very tiny. I've been doing it for years now, but I do love the fashion industry, and Tommy's just been an extreme role model when it comes to owning a small business and just the work that goes into it. I highly recommend, if you're interested in fashion, or maybe you have a small business, or you're looking to start up something that's in the fashion industry, check out the American Dreamer book. That's Tommy Hilfiger's book right there. It's life-changing, and it's definitely something that I feel like will inspire you to just keep going, and that's incredible. And I'm beyond thrilled right now, guys. Thank you so much again for following me, and thank you so much, Hugh, from the Tommy Hilfiger social media team, for just seeing the dedication that I have to the brand. Next up, I want to be in a campaign, okay? Know that. I want to be in a campaign. Please put me in a magazine, a spread, something small, maybe just a minimal partnership, a picture on the website, maybe just share a post of mine on Instagram. But that's my goal next, okay? I do have goals, and Tommy Hilfiger, I'm doing this because I absolutely love the brand, but I also do want to work with the brand one day. So that's 100% my goal. And having the biggest Tommy Hilfiger collection of all time. Okay, that's it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do not already, please follow the House of Hilfiger, my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger page on Instagram. I will link everything down below. Tag it in hashtag House of Hilfiger, and I'll be happy to feature you on the page. Also, if you're not already, please subscribe to this channel. I post YouTube videos all the time of Tommy Hilfiger, so if you love Tommy, this is definitely a channel for you to follow. I go thrift shopping for vintage pieces. I shop online. I go to the outlet. I go to department stores searching for Tommy. You name it, this is your number one source for all things Tommy Hilfiger. That's two. This is your number one source for all things Tommy Hilfiger. My personal Instagram, though, is right here at @GeorgeSchirra. If you want to follow that as well, that will be in the description down below as well. But guys, I'm stoked right now. This is a lot. I'm gonna take this in, and this put the ultimate smile on my face after the past 2 weeks I've been having. So thank you so much. Hopefully you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.